What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. So these are the games that we got on our device today. Along with the gaming performance, we will also check the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So right now the battery percentage is 96. The CPU temperature is 35 and the battery temperature is 31 degrees Celsius. For this testing purpose, we are going to use the Game Assist feature provided in ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone that will optimize the gaming experience on this device. There are a few features that you can change according to your convenience. We have selected the basic option for enhancing the network and the gaming performance. So now let's play a few of these games and let's see how good our device is going to perform. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So the volume is full. This is the maximum volume we got on our ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone. But the good thing is that the earpiece is also working as the speaker, so the stereo effect is coming. And now let's play Injustice 2.
Madness stops here. For the Titans. Which part of you hurts the worst?
So there is no frame drop or lagging. Everything is working perfectly, and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor is performing brilliantly as well. The graphics quality is good. Everything is super smooth, no frame drops or lagging.
Here's a taste of girl power. I'm not even tired.
So as you can see, everything was nice and perfect, super smooth while playing Injustice 2 on ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone. So now let's play some other game. Let's play Cover Fire. It is one of the most high-end heavy graphics game and it runs at 60 FPS. So here in the game setting you can see that we have selected high graphics quality and 60 FPS. And the audio quality is nice as well. It's pretty loud and clear and the stereo effect is so good. So now let's play Cover Fire. The graphics quality is so good. Lots of detail in everything. And there is no frame drop or lagging. We are playing this game at 60 FPS. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Cover Fire on Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone. So now let's go back from here and let's try to play Injustice 2 once again. And you can see that the game is exactly where we left. So the memory management is quite good. The 6GB RAM is working perfectly and you will be able to play two high-end heavy graphics game without worrying about the force closing. As you can see, both of them are running in the background and none of them is getting closed. So it's pretty good. So now let's close both of them and let's play the next game for today, and that's Shadowgun Legends. It's also one of the most high-end heavy graphics game, and this one also runs at 60 FPS. So here in the game setting you can see that we have selected ultra high graphics quality and 60 FPS. So you can see how much detail is there in everything, and also it's pretty smooth. I'm changing the camera angle so quickly. So now let's play the game for a while and let's see how good it's going to be.
Time to get my hands dirty.
So the graphics quality is so nice. If I bring the screen close to the camera, then we can have a look on the graphics quality. You can see how much detail we are getting here on this part here. Also on the ground, if you have a look, it looks like a real video instead of a game because of all of these details. If you have a look, especially on the ground, it's so good. Once again here on the wall, on the rocks, everything is full of details, and if you have a look on these plants here on the leaves, you can see how much detail we are getting. It's really impressive. But right after starting playing this game, I can feel that the device is slightly getting warm in my hand. So now let's play this game and let's see how good it's going to be. You can see that so smooth. So not much issue so far, it's looking smooth. So you can see that there is no frame drop or lagging. The graphics quality is amazing. So the device is getting warm in my hand for sure. Even if I'm shooting at this guard here or whatever it is, you can see how much effect is coming, the fire and everything. It's so nice.
What do we have here?
So now let's have a look on the battery status because the device is warm in my hand for sure. So the battery percentage is 91 and the battery temperature is 42 degree and CPU temperature is 52 degrees Celsius. So this is warm for sure. Now it's getting cooler, it's going down, and the battery performance seems quite good. So now let's play Modern Combat 5. It's one of the most high-end heavy graphics game and it runs at 60 FPS as well. Here in the game setting of Modern Combat 5, you can see that we have selected 60 FPS and The graphics quality is optimal. You cannot make any changes to that. So now let's play the game.
On me. Move into cover. Take him out. Strike 2 to Monarch. Target eliminated. Confirm extraction location. Over.
So the graphics quality is once again really nice. Lots of detail in everything. If you have a look on the ground, on the concrete with the bullet holes, you can see how much clarity is there in everything. And if I just shoot on these objects, you can see how much effect we are getting. The holes are created so nicely. So lots of detail in everything. The graphics quality is so nice, and there is no frame drop or lagging as well. You can see that I'm changing the camera angle so quickly and everything is working perfectly. So now let's play the game a bit more.
Hold up. Come on. Let's go. Thanks.
So let me bring it closer to the camera just to give you an idea about the graphics detail we are getting here. It's really good.
Contact. Strike 2, this is Monarch. Advance to extraction point B. Over. You heard him. Come on. Take him out. That's all right out of here. Get to the goddamn boat.
So you can see that everything was nice and smooth while playing Modern Combat 5 on ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone, and especially the graphics quality is so amazing. For example, if you have a look on the face of the character, the costume and everything is so much detail. Like you can see the reflection of the light on the shoulder pad of this commando here. If you have a look on the sky or these buildings, everything is full of detail, and as you can see there was no frame drop or lagging while playing this high-end heavy graphics game on ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone. So now let's play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of the game, you can see that HD graphics quality and high FPS is selected. I can go to HDR, but Ultra HD is not available. So I'm going to select the HDR graphics quality, and Ultra or Extreme FPS is available as well. So I'm going to select the Extreme FPS and HDR graphics quality to play PUBG Mobile on ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone. And here you can see the notification that HDR plus frame rate may result in the device heating up and consuming more battery, but I'm still gonna select the HDR and high frame rate here. So just tap on apply, and here we go. So you can see how smooth it is. We have selected the highest possible FPS, and you can see it's super duper smooth. No frame drops or lagging. Everything is changing so quickly. And talking about the graphics quality, it's so nice as well. For example, if you have a look on the detail here on the ground and also on the costume, it's so nice. Also, if you have a look on the plane, it's so nice. Lots of detail in everything. The graphics quality is so good for sure while playing PUBG Mobile on ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone. And you can see how smooth it is. It's really good. The device is getting a bit warm for sure. I can feel it on the left side of the screen. But the frame rate is amazing, as you can see, super smooth. So once again, if you have a look on the ground, on the costume of the character, you can see how much detail we are getting, especially if you have a look on the bushes, the plants. It's so good. So everything is nice and super smooth while playing PUBG Mobile on ZTE Axon 10 Pro. You can see no frame drops or lagging is happening, even though the camera angles are changing so quickly. The graphics quality is so good for sure. So here I'm just trying to give you an idea about the gaming capability of ZTE Axon 10 Pro. As you can see, everything is nice and smooth, no frame drops or lagging is happening even while playing PUBG Mobile on the highest possible graphics setting and highest possible frame rate. HDR is not available at all. So this is really nice and impressive. And if you are a gamer, you are going to love the performance of ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone for sure. And now let's go back from here and have a look on the battery status. So you can see the CPU temperature is 49. It was 57 when I moved here. Battery is at 40 degrees Celsius. So increase in temperature we are seeing for sure. And as you can see, it's going down when I'm not playing the game. So this is a good thing we can say. Here I am using a case, but still I can feel the heating sensation here on this part, but it's getting cold now. This part is at the normal temperature, so no issue at all. So talking about the battery performance, it's at 87% right now. We started at 96. The total duration of the recording of this video is nearly 45 minutes. And after that, the battery percentage moved from 96 to 87%. So you can see that the battery performance is really nice and impressive, along with the gaming performance on ZTE Axon 10 Pro 5G smartphone. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.